Arush, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Arush, today I'm gonna conduct you a short interview. Are you ready for that?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh, that's great. Let's start. What's your hobby?
My hobby is playing games.
Okay, that's great. When do you enjoy your hobby, by the way?
I enjoy my hobby in my free time
Oh, good. Why do you like it?
because it's very interesting.
Okay. Do your friends share your hobby now?
Yes, some do.
Okay, that's good. What do you learn from it?
I learn many new things.
Okay. Is your hobby useful?
Yes,
Okay. How much time do you spend on it?
I spend 4 to 5 hours.
Oh, that's great. Good. Can hobbies reduce stress?
Yes, hobbies can reduce stress
Okay, that's too good. How much you enjoy your hobby?
very much.
Okay, that's very well because hobbies are very beneficial for your life. And Arush, thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Take care.